Hello, and thank you for joining us for The Law and You. We have attorneys Ed Ciarimboli and Greg Fellerman here today.
Why, hello.
It's so wonderful to have you here in studio.
Yes.
We give free legal advice, so let's
Exciting.
get on to it.
Let's
Here we go.
It's very exciting.
Helping you out at home, and this comes from Carl in DuPont. Carl says, 2 years ago, I went to see my primary doctor and complained about pain in my stomach. He sent me for an MRI, and I was told everything was okay. I still had pain for another year. I went back and the doctor ordered another MRI, and this time the doctor said there was a tumor in my abdomen and that the first MRI it missed it. My prognosis is poor. Do I have a case?
Well, do you have a case? So yes, you have a case. Whether it's a case that ultimately is worth pursuing is a different, answer to, a different question.
Would it be malpractice or negligence?
So medical malpractice, you have to have three things essentially. You have to have negligence, meaning that the doctor violated the standard of care, didn't follow the rules. I mean, if there's a tumor and they missed it, that's negligence. But that negligence had to have caused an injury. Okay. So it really depends on the staging of, I'm assuming you have cancer, so it really depends on what the staging of the cancer would have been the year prior. If the staging of the cancer would have been at a point where there would have been some type of treatment that would have been available to you at that particular point in time, which would have changed the outcome, then you have a case. Now you've met the element of causation. Unfortunately, a lot of times in cases like this, that element of causation is where these cases fall apart, because even though they missed it, the treatment would have been the same and the potential outcome would have been the same. So that's
Greg, any thoughts on
that's
this?
where you have it.
Listen, these med mal cases are super tough, and you really need to pick up the phone, get people like us involved in those files. We have nurses on staff who can, we get a good workup on the file, we get experts to take a look at it, and you get the answers you need. And I think that's really what this guy wants to know.
Yeah.
And I think, all that stuff, and they're tough cases. I mean, you have to be really right on the medicine and have a jury that understands it to get a nice verdict for those people.
So
And they
pick up
deserve
the
it.
phone, give them a call, find them online, and send us your questions for The Law and You to PAHomepage.com.